Welcome to Surds. We are going to solve following problem. If x plus y equals to root 8, x minus y equals to root 5, first we have to prove xy equals to 3 by 4. So we can make a mark like this one, problem 1, problem 2 and problem 3. First we can write given x plus y equals to root 8 and x minus y equals to root 5. Number 1, prove that xy equals to 3 by 4. Left hand side, x, y. We know that x plus y divide 2 whole square minus x minus y divide 2 whole square, which is equals to xy. Then x plus y we get root 8 divide 2 whole square minus x minus y, it means root 5 divide 2 whole square. Now it's a simple thing. Root 8 square, it means 8 and 2 square means 4 minus root 5 square 5, 2 square means 4. We can make LCM, so 4 and here is 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, it should be 3 and this is by 4. Now look, left hand side and right hand side is equal, which is prove that xy equals to 3 by 4 and here is xy and we already get 3 by 4. So first one proof. Second one, second question, x square plus y square, we have to prove this one 13 by 2. So this is left hand side. Against x square plus y square we can write x plus y whole square minus 2xy, or if you want you can also write method 2. Method 2. Also you can write x square plus y square, it means x minus y whole square plus 2xy. Similar meaning. Now look, x plus y already mentioned root 8. So we can write this one is root 8 whole square minus 2 times question 1 we already get xy means 3 by 4. So here is 3 divide 4, right? And look, 2 divide 4, it means 4 we can divide by 2, it will be 2. Root 8 square, it's a 8 minus 3 by 2. If you want you can make LCM, so here is 2, 8 times 2, it's a 16 minus 3, so here is 16 minus 3 will be 13 by 2. Here our question also similar thing, 13 by 2. Same answer. What about second method? Look, x minus y, it's a root 5 square, right? Then plus 2 times xy, we already get 3 by 4. Root 5 square, it's a 5 plus again we divide this 4 by 2, it will be 2. So 3 by 2. We can make LCM. So here is 2, 5 times 2 is a 10 plus 3. So similar, here is also 13 by 2. Very simple. So number 1 and 2 done. Number 3 we can prove in here. Here mention x square minus y square equals to root 40. So number 3, left hand side x square minus y square. Against this one we can write x plus y times x minus y. X plus y, it means root 8 times x minus y means root 5. So finally we can write root 40, right hand side. Very simple. So smoothly we are trying to solve this problem. Against this problem, if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. This is very important math. Algebraic expression is a very common topics, and you will face these kinds of math in your examination hall. So don't neglect these kinds of math, and please subscribe my channel, which is Surds.